Hey guys, I'm Voylin, and in today's video I want to talk about Tabi Japanese. It's probably something you haven't heard about yet because I just started making it. So this idea to make an app, program, game to learn Japanese has been in my mind since I started learning Japanese. So what exactly is Tabi Japanese? Tabi Japanese is a project that I'm starting, open source, so everybody can copy the files or work with me, whatever they feel like. And I will only make it for PC and not for smartphones because I feel like learning on a smartphone isn't really effective. Also, it will be kind of a game and a program, so to put everything on the phone will be kind of heavy, especially for this one. So I've already made 2 live streams about me starting the whole project, and after that I went silent for some time. That was mainly because I was working on creating some resources of JLPT in 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 kanji, and in 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 vocab, which you can find in the link in the description. They're free, you can copy, paste them, do whatever you want with them. So why would I make a Japanese learning program and won't ask any money for it, because it will be completely free, without advertisements as well. Basically, I'm not really a smart person and I could ask money for it, but prefer not to. Now, the main reason is just I want to create something that will help many people, and asking money for it seems kind of strange because, in my opinion, learning should be free and easily accessible. Except for having a teacher, because that teacher needs to get paid for his time. I'm doing it as a hobby, so I don't really want to get paid. But there will be donations button. I will work on that. If I already made it, it will be in the description below. Every Sunday I will try to make an update of where the progress has been so far, and first talk about progress and then some more work that I did, kind of a vlog of what I've been doing during that week. Also, I got a new background for my videos. It's mainly just my desk with all my books placed on top, but this has a reason. All the books you see here, I will go from left to right, reading them all, taking notes, and put them inside of my program to learn Japanese, Tabi Japanese. And as time goes on, you will notice that these books are slowly disappearing, or I will probably just change location and use this as my bookmark. You get the point. And another update to the channel is I finally got another camera. There was nothing wrong with my camera, except for there was a lot wrong with that camera. But I will make another video about why it was probably the biggest mistake to buy that camera. But this camera, I've only used it for a couple of days, and I must say I really love it a lot. It's such a nice camcorder. So this was my quick little update. I will try to make more videos soon, but I also have a full-time job again, 6 days a week. So I'm not quite sure if I'll be able to spend a lot of time into the program, learning Japanese and also making videos. So I'll probably only study Japanese and work on programs. So if you don't see videos for some time, it's just because it's holiday season, work is busy. If you want to join this project of creating this program, app, game, I've already written down a whole lot about how I want the game to be like. So if you want to join, please feel free, because I'm bad at drawings. Look at this logo that I made for the game. I'm not an artist. So thank you all for watching, and I hope you will like Tabi Japanese the moment it comes out. Good luck learning Japanese like usual.